Hello children, in this video I am going to explain about the continuation of life process chapter of class 10. So children, in the early video I have discussed about the autotrophic nutrition, which is utilized by the plants to make their own food via photosynthesis, right? So in this video I am going to explain about the heterotrophic nutrition. So what do you mean by the heterotrophic nutrition? Heterotrophic nutrition is the nutrition in which the organisms get the food either directly or indirectly from other plants. Like for example, all animals, fungi and some bacteria will follow this type of heterotrophic nutrition. So in that word called as heterotrophic, so hetero means different, tropy means nutrition. Hetero means different, nutrition is tropy. So there are types of heterotrophic nutrition. There are different types of heterotrophic nutrition. One type of nutrition is saprophytic nutrition, other type of nutrition is called as parasitic nutrition, and the next type is known as holozoic nutrition. What we will learn about here under heterotrophic nutritions? Heterotrophic nutrition is called saprophytic, parasitic and holozoic we will learn. So first coming to the first type of nutrition of heterotrophic nutrition called as saprophytic nutrition. So saprophytic nutrition is the nutrition in which the organisms get their food from dead and decaying organisms. They break down the food material on the outside of the body and then absorbs it. Like example, mushroom, bread mold, yeast, etc. Then next type of heterotrophic nutrition is parasitic nutrition. So in parasitic nutrition what will happen? Organisms get their food from living organisms without killing them, that is without harming the host. The parasite take the food. Example, cuscuta, orchids, lice, leeches, roundworm, plasmodium, etc. Are said to be parasites. Why? Because they follow parasitic nutrition. Coming to the third type of heterotrophic nutrition called as holozoic nutrition. So holozoic nutrition is the nutrition in which organisms take food directly and then digest them and absorb it. So according to the holozoic nutrition, the organisms are divided into three types, children. That is herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So herbivores means the animals which eat plant and plant products like cow, goat, sheep, etc. Carnivores means animals which eat the flesh of other animals like lion, tiger, cheetah, etc. Next one is omnivores, children. So what are omnivores? Omnivores are the animals that feed on both plants and animals. Like for example, snake, bear, ostrich, turtle, humans are the examples of omnivores. So now let us see about the nutrition in amoeba. We will learn the nutrition in amoeba. So what is amoeba, children? Amoeba is a unicellular animal, that is protozoan, which lives in ponds and ditches. Amoeba is a unicellular protozoan which lives in ponds and ditches. So how does it acquire its nutrition? It acquires its nutrition, that is, it takes in food by forming finger-like projections called pseudopodia. So this amoeba doesn't have a particular shape. Amoeba doesn't have a particular shape. So whenever it senses the food, it forms the finger-like projections, finger-like projections on its body called as pseudopodia. Okay, here the term pseudopodia means, pseudo means false, podia means foot. It forms pseudopodia to capture the food by surrounding it. Okay, so when once it captures the food with the pseudopodia, it forms a food vacuole to digest the food. Okay, and absorb the food. So the undigested food finally from the food vacuole is ejected out through the surface of the cell. So what is the nutrition in amoeba called as? It is a type of diffusion process. Okay, so like organisms, amoeba also undergoes 5 nutritional stages. Like first one is egestion, that is intake of food. Next one is digestion, that is breaking down of complex substances into simple substances. The third one is absorption, which is done by the food vacuole. When once the food is broken down into simple substances, that will be absorbed by the single cell organism surface. Okay, then next one is assimilation. Assimilation is nothing but building of complex substances from the simple substances. Everything is done by the single cell, okay, of this amoeba. Finally, egestion, that is the undigested food will be thrown out of the cell body. Okay, so this is called as what? Amoebic nutrition. So in the next video, let us learn about the nutrition in humans. Okay, thank you.